So, Victor, what are the products that you use here?
We use Expel. We're a certified Expel dealer, and we have used products like 3M before and other brands. So far, we're happy with Expel,
Okay.
and not saying anything about the other brands. They have
Right.
great products too. We just found that Expel would be a better fit for, our brand and what we do and the type of vehicles we do.
Um, do you use one particular brand of ceramic coating?
We use Expel too for coatings.
Oh, I didn't know Expel had that.
Yeah, we use Expel coatings, Expel PPF, and Expel window tint.
Oh, okay.
Yep.
All right. Well, I told one of your folks here that I know the CFO at Expel, so
Mm-hmm.
he's a family friend, so I have to keep using Expel.
I
So,
see.
so I
I see.
appreciate it. And so thanks for doing the inside of my Carrera today, and we'll work on the Macan in a couple of weeks.
That works.
All right. Thank you.
All right.
And when you put the mic on him, I can hear. No, you would hear more than that. You gotta get it right, Dorian. Dang, Victor, they wouldn't let you do your office work. You had the iron slipping away. Just making sure none of the soap and water gets down into the dash. business, so I was, doing all my branding, my Google page, everything. I wasn't telling anybody because I wasn't gonna start anytime soon. I was just, being prepared.
I thought you were going to do that when you first moved in.
I tried to, but I needed, money because I didn't have anything saved up. But
Yeah, because you spent all your money on the bike. You were just glued off of it.
where we were at, it was, this guy came in, was getting attitude, and I tried to ignore it.